Hello, Kamato Class! Welcome back sa isa na namang pag-aaral ng aralin sa mathematics. Ang ating topic ngayon ay related sa radical of the same order, radicals of different orders, and binomial involving radicals. Mas maiintindihan ninyo kung ano ang mga yan sa pamamagitan ng ating topic sa bidyong ito. Our topic is performing operations on radical expression. Specifically, magko-concentrate tayo sa multiplication of radicals. Sabi ko kanina sa introduction, gagamitin natin yon sa ating topic na yon. At yon ang tatlong method para makapag-multiply ng radicals. Alamin natin kung paano ang tatlong yon. Ito ay ang multiplying radicals of the same order, multiplying binomials involving radicals, and multiplying radicals of different order. Sa una, pag sinabi nating same order, ibig sabihin niyan same index. Sa radical sign, dapat same index. So, binomial, alam naman natin pag sinabi nating binomial, it involves two terms. At dito, different orders, magkaiba ng index. So, alamin natin, isa-isa ang bawat method na yan. Simulan natin sa multiplying radicals of the same order. And let's start with the square root of 12 times the square root of 2. Since we are multiplying, i-multiply muna natin yan. At pag minultiply natin si square root of 12 times square root of 2, square root of 24. By the way, this is same order. Ibig sabihin parehas ng index. Ang index nito ay 2, kaya hindi na nakasulat. Okay, then after that, punta tayo dun sa simplifying radicals. So, pag nagsisimplify ng radical, kinukuha natin ng factor. Ang factor yan is square root of 4 times square root of 6. Siguraduhin na ang isa sa factor ay perfect squared, yung isa pwede nang hindi. In this case, square root of 4 ang perfect squared. So, ang square root ng 4 ay 2, kaya kinopya natin yon. Then, we have this one. Again, square root ng 4 ay 2. Tapos kinopya na lang natin ito. Therefore, the product is 2 times the square root of 6. Let's have the next one. 3 times the cube root of 9 times the cube root of 9. So, multiply natin. Same process tayo dito. Multiply natin ang cube root of 9 times the cube root of 9. Kinopya na lang natin yung 3. So, ibig sabihin cube root of 81. Kasi 9 times 9 is 81. Then, proceed with getting the factor. But this time, dun tayo sa cube root. Same order ulit kasi pareha silang cube root. So, ano ang factor ng 81? Tiyakin na ang isa ay perfect cube root. At yun ay, kinopya natin ito, 3 times the cube root of 27. Kasi yun yung perfect cube root. 3 times 3 times 3, that's 27. Then, cube root of 3. So, ito yung hindi perfect cube root. So, pag kinuha ang cube root nito, kinopya yung 3. Cube root of 27 is 3. Then, cube root of 3. So, 3 times 3, that will be 9 times the cube root of 3. And the product is 9 times the cube root of 3. Let's have the third example. Same order pa rin tayo. Square root ulit. Square root of 12xy squared times 3x to the fourth y. So, same process tayo. 12 times 3. Lagay muna natin. That's 36. Then, x times x to the fourth is x to the fifth, y squared times y is y to the third. So, simplify natin by getting the factor. Since 36 is a perfect squared already, so pwede na natin magkunin ng factor ng number or ng coefficient. Pero, this x to the fifth, siya ay dapat ay tama sa index natin. Kaya nilagyan natin ng 2 sa labas. Inalis natin yung 1 ang kinuha lang natin ay 4 kasi hindi pwede si 5. So, yung 4, pinawasan ng isa 4, related na siya sa index which is 2. Ito na yon. So, na-breakdown natin. So, 2 times 2, that will be 4. So, yung naiwang isa napunta dito. Sana masundan. So, si y din, so 2 yung pwede kasi ang index ay 2, may maiiwan uling isa. Ito na yon, kaya y to the Second, square root ng 36 ay 6. Ang square root ng x squared raised to the second ay x squared. Ito naman ay y. Kaya magiging 6x squared y. Tapos ito kinopya na lang kasi hindi na siya perfect squared. And this will be our answer. Let's have the next one. Cube root of 6ab times the cube root of 4a cubed b to the 4th c to the 5th. Multiply natin. The product is this. 6 times 4, 24. A times a to the 3rd, a to the 4th. B times b to the 4th is b to the 5th. And c times c to the 5th is c to the 6th. So, factor tayo na may perfect cube root. So, ang factor noong 24 ay 8 times 3. So, perfect cube root ito kasi 2 times 2 times 2, 8. So, pwede uli siya sa cube root. So, may iwang uling isa. Ito na yon. Kaya 8 to the 3rd. B to the 5th. Sa 3 lang pwede. Kaya may sumobra. 2. Yun na yun. B to the 2nd. C to the 6. Pwede natin i-breakdown yung exponent. 2 times 3. So, nasa labas uli yung 3. Kasi perfect dito. So, yung 2 sa loob. So, ngayon, pag kinuha ang cube root ng 8 ay 2. Cube root ng a to the 3rd ay a kasi parang cancel na yan. B to the 3rd, hindi ganun din. B. C ay to the 2nd, mawawala na itong to the 3rd because of this, kaya C to the 2nd. Tapos hindi na to perfect cube root, kaya kinopya na lang ang cube root of 3ab squared. Okay? So that's the first method. Multiplying radicals of the same order. How about multiplying binomials involving radicals like this one? So this is an example of binomials. So naalala niyo yung isa nating video regarding multiplying binomial to another binomial. So we have this one. So ang gagawin nating process, pwede yung i-FOIL method. But this time around, ang gamitin nating process ay ito. So itong square root of 3 na i-times dito sa square root of 6. Kaya 3 times 6. Si square root of 3, ito pa rin yan, na i-times naman dun sa second term. So, 3 times 5. Dito na tayo sa second term. Square root of 2, imumultiply ulit doon. Kaya we have this. Then, square root of 2, imumultiply sa 5, kaya we have this. Lagyan natin ng danda, itong 3 minultiply doon, tapos minultiply doon. So, ito yung unang process. Sa second process, ito ay minultiply doon, tapos ito ay minultiply doon. So, ito yung naging process. Then we are going to perform the operation. And 3 times 6 is 18. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Then 2 times 6 is 12. And 2 times 5 is 10. Okay. Then simplified. Kung pwedeng i-simplified na may perfect squared. At ito yung factor ng 18. 9 times 2, 18. Perfect squared ng 9. 15 wala na. Sa mananatiling 15. 12 is 4 times 3. Perfect square dito. Ang 10, wala naman na. So, mananatili na siya dyan. Then, mapupunta sa labas ang 3. Kasi we have 3. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 2 we have. Then, wala naman ng minus. Square root of 15. Ito naman 4. Ang square root nun ay 2. Ang square root ng 4 ay 2. Then, kinopya lang to. Ito, wala na din. So, yan na yung ating magiging sagot. Let's have another one. How about quantity 4 plus square root of 2 plus quantity 6 plus square root of 18. Same process tayo. Lagyan natin ng mark. 4 times 6. Then 4 times the square root of 18. Then the square root of 2 times 6 times square root of 2 times 18. Ito yan. Sana nasundan natin. 4 times 6. Ito yon. 4 times 18. Ito yon. 6 times square root of 2. Inuna ko na yung 6 ha. Then square root of 2 times square root of 18. So multiply natin yung mga pwede. So ito yung pwedeng multiply. 4 times 6 is 24. So kinopya natin ito. Pwede na natin itong i-simplify. 9 times 2 by getting the factor. Perfect squared. 6 times the square root of 2. Kinopya na lang natin. So we have this. Minultiply muna natin ito. Kasi yun yung square root of 2 times 18. So, square root of 36. So, tuloy natin. So, 24, ito ay mapupunta na sa labas. 4 times the square root of 9 ay 3. Square root of 2, kinopya na lang. Then, 6 times the square root of 2. Yun pa rin yun. And the square root of 36 is 6. So, baka mayroon na siyang pwedeng i-perform ang operation. Ito pwede pa. Okay? So 24, then 4 times 3 is 12. Tapos kinopya na lang uli ito at ito. Pero at this point in time, pwede pa natin isolve itong 24 tsaka 6. At ito dahil like radicals, pwede isolve kasi parehas ng radicand. So therefore, the answer is 24 times at 24 plus 6 is 30, then 12 plus 6 is 18 is square root of 2. Okay. And the third method is multiplying radicals of different orders. Yan naman yung magkaiba ng index. Cube root of 4, square root of 2. Index nito ay 3, index nito ay 2. So, pipiliin nyo kung alin ang pwede i-change sa dalawa sa rational exponent. So, and 4 ang pwede. 2 to the second. Mahalaga na maging parehas itong base na to at yung radicand nung isa. Okay? So, pwede na natin i-change sa fractional exponent o sa rational exponent. So, 2 raised to 2/3. Ito yon. 2 raised to 1/2. Okay, so we have that. Tapos, pwede na tayo ngayong mag-add nito. So, laws of exponent, same base. Then, ina-add yung exponent, 2/3 plus 1/2. Okay na? So, ito yung mangyayari, 7/6. Kasi ito ay, LCD niya ay 6, o nito, 3 at 2 ay 6. Then, 4 plus 3. So, 7 tayo dyan. Okay na? Then, pwede na ngayon i-change yan sa 6 root of 2 to the 7. Again, pwede na itong i-change sa radical expression. So, ito yung index, exponent ito. So, we have that. So, at pwede itong i-simplify. Kasi ang factor nito ay 2 to the 6 times 2, 2 to the 7. Yan. At ito ay perfect sa 6 root. Kaya 2 na lang ang natira doon. Then ito hindi na perfect sa 6 root. Kinopya na lang natin. Okay? Sana nasusundan. Let's have the next one. Cube root of 3 times the 4th root of 27. Same process. Alin ang pwedeng i-change? 27. Kaya magiging 3 to the 3rd. O parehas na halos itong radicand dito at yung base ng radicand dito. So, change na natin sa rational exponent. 1/3 ito. Ito ay 3/4. Okay? So, laws of exponent, i-add na lang natin. So, LCD ng 3 at 4, 12. Tapos, pag sinolve natin yan, magiging 13/12. So, alam naman natin, isolve na yung fraction, ha? Okay, change natin, magiging 12 root of 3 to the 3rd pag change sa radicals. Factorable uli ito para ma-simplify natin. 3 to the 12 para tumama sa index. Maiiwan na lang ay isa kasi to the 13 yan. So, kaya ito perfect na. So, magiging 3 times the 12 root of 3. So, yan ang tatlong method para makapag-multiply tayo ng radicals. God bless!